Yes. Yeah, it's a grand evening of 26th of June, and we have a very shining stars with us. They are a pure heart boys and girls are with us, and along with their teacher and some of the parents are with us. So I invited to Rabia Bhatia ji that she will take the stage and rock the show. Welcome, Rabia ji.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for giving this opportunity to actually host this show and, invite our speaker panelists, wonderful speaker panelists, Dr. Preeti and Dr. Seema. Oh my God. Dr. Seema, we are in touch for so long, but I never knew it with the four will actually connect so personally and so closely.
Yeah, that's what when actually Dr. Devendra told me that you are going to moderate the program, then I was like, oh my God, I'm going to meet you virtually now, second time, I think.
Yes, that's right.
Great.
That's
Yes.
right. Absolutely.
I welcome Isa from Namibia. Mr. Isa is the director of Namibia Olympic Association. Hi, happy face, smile face. Your friends
Thank
are
you
coming.
very much.
Yeah, your friends are coming.
Yeah,
That's great.
yes, they will join us.
Great. Mr. Isa have a very big smile face of Namibia, and he's married.
Okay.
Great.
He is married.
Great. So greetings, one and all. Greetings of the day. And today we are on this beautiful and wonderful platform of Spa India, owned by Dr. Devendra. And we have some eminent personalities with us today. The speakers are Dr. Preeti Ojha and Dr. Seema. We have Sanjeev Kapoor sir and wonderful Professor Devendra and Dr. Where is sir gone? I can't see.
Dr.
Dubey.
Dubey,
Dr.
yeah.
Dubey is also
Is
here.
he there? Dr. Dubey?
Yes. Dr. Dubey is here, I guess.
Okay.
Yes, Dr. Dubey is there.
Great.
Yes, I'm here.
Dr. Shiggu.
Sanjeev sir, very good evening.
बंधु प्रणाम, कैसे हैं?
गुरुजी नमस्कारम.
नमस्कार.
आजकल संजीव सर के बिना कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म अधूरा है.
Never.
No session will be completed without Sanjeev Kapoor sir's presence.
Rightly said.
Yes, sir. And so today, any guesses? What are we going to talk about today on this platform? Any guesses? Kids, I would like to ask you. Bachcha Party, कुछ बताओगे आज हम? What are we going to talk about? Sweet little bachchas, come on, don't feel shy. Indoor games, okay. Very good, indoor games, yes. Anybody else?
Any.
I heard somebody saying something. कोई गेस नहीं बताएगा बच्चा पार्टी, कुछ नहीं बोलना. शोर करो. यहाँ पे समझो क्लास में शोर कर रहे हो, शोर कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे कोई डांटेगा नहीं. सबको चुप करवा डांटेगा. बोलो यहाँ पे. So today we are going to talk about learning from sport. That is creating a collaborative workplace with the help of sports, with the help of learning from sports. And I would like to first introduce our speaker panelist, that is Dr. Preeti Ojha. She is a Okay, Dr. Preeti Ojha is a principal with Delhi International School, Dwarka, LinkedIn Spotlight, SEDEX speaker, British Council consultant, and honorary advisor with SPA India. And the second eminent speaker with us is Dr. Seema Ahuja. She's a principal at Dr. Surat Group of Schools. And I would like to invite you, and thanks to you for accepting our invite to be on this platform today to share your views about some eminent, this is a very need of the hour topic, talking about the sports. And NEP, with NEP coming into picture, it becomes more important and mandatory as well to include sports in our curriculum as well. So we will speak to Dr. Seema about teamwork. How can we create a teamwork, a bonding with the help of sports? And Dr. Preeti will share her views on moving your team from fear to high gear by sports. So I would like to request Dr. Seema to share her views about the teamwork. So may I request Dr. Seema to come on the platform and share her thoughts about this particular topic of teamwork with the help of collaborative learning and sports.
Thank you, Rabia. Thank you for this introduction, lovely introduction that you've given. And yes, I'm honored and I'm humbled that I am sharing this platform with Dr. Preeti Ahuja, who's I feel is the most effective principal the country has it. You know, the education fraternity has it. And then we have Dr. Devendra, Dr. Dubey, and they've given me this chance to actually participate in this panel discussion. And then on top it all is Rabia, who's the moderator. And so also, you know, my coordinator, middle school coordinator, Sumitra Jain is also there. So I just wanted to introduce her. She's here only. And Shweta Puri I've already introduced. She's the vice principal. And so let us, first of all, I mean, we know, I mean, everybody is now talking about sports, how sports is so important, not only in the curriculum, but in everybody's day-to-day life. And what all we are learning from sports and what all sports is teaching us, that is what we are going to talk about. If we are learning collaboration, so I really would like to ask someone, if someone can just answer maybe a dictionary meaning only of collaboration. If someone can just tell me the dictionary meaning of collaboration, what does that mean? Can I just ask someone? I mean, you can also speak. I can't see many people there. So anybody, but not Dr. Preeti. Anybody, no, but not Dr. Preeti. That's what I said. So anybody, or Dr. Devendra, why don't you only speak and tell me?
Today I am your technical supporter, so I am doing so many things. Make
okay.
a perfect video.
Let me. Okay, thank you. Then let me ask Rabia.
Yeah.
Yes, Rabia.
I think if somebody want to speak, he can raise the hand so I can unmute him.
Yes, please do that. Please do that.
Ah.
Okay, Rabia.
Yeah, Rabia, you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, in fact, Dr. Seema, I would like to ask the same question to our bachas today. What do they understand about the collaboration? क्योंकि बच्चों से ज़्यादा better इसको you know इसको define कोई और नहीं कर सकता. They do understand what is the actual meaning of collaboration. So
I'm sorry, Rabia, I can't actually see whether the kids are there or not. Achha. So I'm just concentrating on that, who's ever is there on
no problems at all, ma'am.
No so why don't you, please ask them only.
So bachas, Harshit, Deirav, can you please let us know what is the meaning of collaboration? हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है.
Yes.
जल्दी बोलो, बच्चों, तुम्हें पता है what is teamwork, what is collaboration?
Naman.
हाथ खड़ा करो, कौन हाथ खड़ा करो जल्दी से, कौन बोलेगा?
Naman, yeah. Yes, Naman.
सर इसका मतलब है सहयोग.
Yes. Very good. Absolutely correct. Yeah, thank you, Naman. So it means in Hindi, sahyog, or it is something like, you know, to work with another group or with another person in order to achieve your goal or to achieve success or to achieve whatever you want to achieve. That is what it means. So today's world is actually the world of collaboration and innovation. You know, you collaborate with people and then you innovate new things. And this is what the world is talking about. This is what NEP is also talking about, that you need to collaborate. Earlier, I mean, our time, I'm very ancient here, I think, you know, 52, going to be 53. So our time when I was in school, I remember everything was looked after by the school, only by the teachers, principal, but there was nothing like, resource person or you outsource somebody or something like that. There used to be, some state level sports, some national level sports when we used to go out, but nobody used to come to school to train us. If somebody is like, really good or somebody has the expertise in that particular sport, they never used to call anybody. There used to be one sports teacher who was like all in all and used to teach us everything. And now it is up to you whether it is up to you that you excel or you don't excel, or you come back home and then, our time we never used to have tuitions also. For us, playing our sports was so important coming back from school, and it wasn't the time of like, getting 99%. It was when if you get 60%, घर घर में लड्डू बांटे जाएंगे कि first division आ गई. So it used to be that time I'm talking about. So for us, after coming back from school, we used to sleep, and then we used to go out to play outside, always it used to be there, and then come back, do your homework, little, whatever you want to study or read, then TV, eat, and then sleep. This used to be our routine. Now there are like, I've seen children doing multitasking. There are parents who are telling them, parents are expecting too much from the children. Children are like, pressurized from all over, or maybe some of the children are really enjoying also, doing all this. They are enjoying doing multitasking. And now as a principal, if I see, or as a teacher also, what are we doing? We are doing a lot of things together. It used to be, I still remember our time when I was getting married, and it used to be, okay, we want a teacher from a school, and who's going to come back at 2 to 30, and then, there is nothing, no school, then it is the household, whatever work is there, you have to do that. So that ad was there that we want a teacher. So because my wedding was through matrimonial, so that is why I'm telling you. So this was the thing. And now if you see, it is not, teacher is working like 24/7 into 365 days. I've just told you, I've just come back, and even my vice principal, she also must have come back, with me only. Just 15 minutes ago, I came back from school, just washed my face. I said, should look little presentable to actually present my, that's what I thought. So this is what is collaboration. Now in that collaboration and all that, from where are we learning all this? Raghav had said, Naman had said that, it means sahyog. So in sports also, whenever you are doing team sports, any team sports, if you are good at, can you actually get success, or can you win without getting sahyog or without getting any input from the other members of the team? Is it possible? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. And I myself is a Kabaddi national player, and I remember, thank you, and I remember that how we used to strategize things, that how we have to win, and when somebody is coming, what we have to do. So everything we used to strategize, So this is what is teamwork. But before talking about teamwork, I feel that we should talk about something else also. Now, could somebody, I really want to ask this question from Dr. Dev. Dr. Dev, I'm sorry, but this question has to be answered by you. And that is, what kind of value, what kind of aspect that you need in that team or teamwork? What do you need actually?
That's a fantastic question. And it is good that we have children, I think, below 10-year age. Yes. So children, listen carefully. The meaning of team, what values, the first value, they must be trust on each other.
Yes.
Listen and note down. It is a very important. In Absolutely. 2011, I think some of you born on that year, those are the less than 10 year, India won World Cup. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, his sixer, Gautam Gambhir, he make a foundation of that victory. So they had trust on each other. Yuvraj Singh, Harbhajan Singh, sometimes they start weeping. रोने लग गए थे. सचिन को कंधे पर उठा लिया था. Huh? They had trust on each other. And one of the case study, I got a copyright once I make the behavioral aspect on effective leadership. You heard about Mumbai Indians won 3 to 4 times of the IPL, 5th time even, 5 times. And once they won first time in 2015, उन्होंने 7 matches lose किए थे पहले. But there was a one thing, big thing was trust. Trust between leaders, trust with the team manager, the team owner, team captain. They have a trust on their coaches. The first team is trust. And second, it is especially for the Indian and especially for those who have a heart, they don't have a mind. So sometimes people told you, don't mind, please. Oh, please smile. I don't have a mind, I have a heart. So I never mind. So second, E is an emotion.
Yes.
Emotion is a very important. It's a value. It's a big value. Once we have a emotional attachment with our team member, we can understood his problem. As we all are a teacher are here. So if one teacher have some problem and they have an emotional value with each other, they can told to principal, madam का class मैं ले लूँगी, assignment मैं काम कर दूँगी, आप हो आओ, बच्चे को देखाओ, घर में कोई parents meeting है या कोई problem आ गई, 360 degree पर जिन्हें manage करना होता है, they can manage with a teamwork if the team have a emotions. I'm sorry I'm taking the speaker time, but yeah, so it's very close to my heart.
I want one thing, I want one thing which is like really required.
That's the coordination between the
team. Okay.
There's many more now. We have a Henry Ford 14 principle here.
Okay.
So just I finish by trust, emotion, and attitude. A for attitude. And M for they must motivate me. Motivate to each other, team member. Then we can get a success. Or there's a running sentence that together everyone can achieve more.
Yes.
It's a team. So things are there so many. So again, I'm going back.
Thank you, Dr. Dev. Thank you. Yes, you are absolutely right. He's just told you the full form of team. But, before talking about teamwork, I feel that we must talk about team spirit. If that team spirit is not there, if that is not there, do you think, winning is not that important? But I have seen many of the times, as a principal, I've been telling that, when any team loses, you will see 50 or 75% of the children are crying, or they are blaming each other. I always tell them, I said, the participation is really important, not the winning. A. B, you have played with the team spirit, and the team spirit or the sports spirit says that whether you are a loser or you are a winner, but actually in the long run, if you see, you are actually a gainer. You have gained so much by playing that. You've gained that how to collaborate with other people, how to coordinate with other people, how to motivate other people, and how to be emotionally attached with that, whatever Dr. Dev was saying, how emotionally you can attach with your team. So this is what is, if we are talking about teamwork, then we must talk about team spirit. Without the team spirit, no one can do anything, whether it is an institution or a school or office or anywhere. Now, when you are working in an office or in a school or in an institution, what do you think? Who is going to collaborate, or who is going to make you collaborate? Who's going to answer this now? Who's going to make you collaborate? It is whose responsibility? Whose responsibility is that? Again, I want the answer. Can I just ask if Sumitra Jain is listening? Sumitra, can I just ask you who's responsible? Okay, I think she's not there. Or I think Dr. Shailendra is there. Can I just ask you? Okay, Dr. Dubey, you are there. Please tell me. Please unmute Dr. Dubey.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, no, again, there's some problem. I can't hear you. Yeah, yes, yes.
It is the team leader who has to collaborate, motivate and collaborate. That is the thing.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Yes,
It is
yes.
actually the duty of the leader or the one
Yes.
who's heading the institution or heading the
Yes.
school or heading the office. So
Right.
it is the responsibility of the leader to actually take the team forward or tell each and everybody to collaborate and then work. It means what the leader has to learn, which skill the leader has to learn. Yes, Saroni? She's a science teacher of my school, Saroni. Yes, Saroni. So how?
Yes, ma'am. I was also about to say the same thing, that we are really lucky we have a leader like you.
Oh,
And
I didn't tell you to tell this right now.
So it's really the teamwork. It really means a lot. After you have joined our school, the way I am seeing the school, it is really working as a team. So it's a leader only who can make this team and just bring out the best from whatever is available resources.
So then what do you think I should have for my team? Which skill I should have?
According to me, what I see, that you have a very strong power to means keep all of us together. So previously, what I used to see, that we had a lot of discrimination among each other, among our teachers or whoever. But after you have joined, you have just made all of us united. And now we all think that we are a team. We should work as a team. So you have this property of a perfect leader who can actually make everybody work under a umbrella, so that we just work as a team. So,
I didn't know you were going to attend this, and I'm really floored by this comment. I mean, this compliment. Thanks for this appreciation. But yes, you are absolutely right. But I was asking, is the leader should have the team building skills? That is what we have to nurture, and we have to we should imbibe with that team building skill. If you are not a team person and you feel that I am the principal and I'm supreme, I'm next to God, and I am not going to listen to any of the teacher or anybody, any of my subordinate, coordinator, anybody, whatever I decide, that is is bas wahi yoga. So I am actually not the kind. Sometimes I may be wrong. And also I feel that whenever a leader has to take decision, the decision has to be collaborative. So you should have that kind of a skill. And from where I have learned all this, it is Dr. Dev, it is all from sports. Because I was a Kho-Kho player, I was, I was Kabaddi national and Kabaddi player. I used to play volleyball. I used to play basketball, and then many individual games also. I was an athlete also. But all this I have learned, and this spirit of sports and this collaboration and working with the team. So all this I have developed from my childhood. And when I became the leader, then also it is not that, I had that kind of a year around that, I have now become a principal or a leader. I can do whatever I feel like. I feel no, it has to be, I have to take forward my team. That's what I kept in mind. And also, I'm sure all the principals are also doing it the same way. I'm 100% sure. Otherwise, nobody can work now in this world, in this industry of education. You cannot work. If you cannot work with the team, you cannot actually work. So a leader has to build that skill. You have to have the team building skill. And then you have to have the strategy, to plan things, that how are you going to take your team forward? What strategies we should, everyone should inculcate with. So all that I remember when I had joined, now my own experience, I'm going to tell you, when I joined Navodaya school, that was back in 1992. And our principal never used to listen anything. I still remember. And the art teacher, one fine morning when we had gone to the school, I had seen our art teacher had made some drawing and some quotation was written and it was pasted outside his room, and it says that the speed of the boss or the leader is the speed of the team. Yeah. So, and because he wasn't doing anything, but he was expecting so much from us, whether you have done this work, not done this work, and how to do it. He never used to tell us anything, that this is the way that you are supposed to, work. This is the way, this is what you have to incorporate. So nothing he used to tell us. And so then that, thing was there, and he came and he was like, who has written this? And, he asked me only. And then I was like, I was quite young, unmarried that time. And I was like, what should I say? And then he was like, who's written this? I said, sir, this is a compliment for you, because the speed of the boss is the speed of the team. You are so competent that your team is also like that. So this is actually a compliment for you. So he was like, he was very happy. He said, who made this? He actually, he appreciated the art teacher, appreciated everyone in the staff meeting, that, and after that, he had completely changed 360 degree. And then he started working with us, working as a team. So this one saying, which I can never forget. So this was one thing I felt that, this was one quotation that changed him and changed our working also. So that this is another thing. And then I'm also a follower of Sadhguru. And every day I get one, quotation from him, his preaching. Today you won't believe. And every day I open my not my Facebook, but my email, and I check what is there today. And you won't believe it. What was there today? I must read. That was, recognize people around you for the best that you have seen in them. In recognizing the best instead of the worst, you will kindle, nurture, and receive the best of everyone. And I felt, yes. And today you won't believe, I wasn't even expecting that kind of a quotation, from him. But this, when it had come, I immediately wrote down, and I thought I'm going to say that absolutely right. Yes, this is the way it should be. Now, another thing is, when we are working in a team, so whatever you dream, whatever you want to aspire, you want to achieve, whatever, that, that will become your dream work. You can actually change, because the teamwork leads to dream work. That is, my slogan. Teamwork leads to dream work, because anything you want to achieve, anything, you can get it only through teamwork. Whatever dream that you see, that can be fulfilled if you are working in a team. Yeah, because, this is a very, very powerful and a very strong, I would say a phrase, which actually motivates an individual to work and finish the given task with, his or her core competency. When we are talking about teamwork, we should also see the competency, how competent you are. Sometimes when you are working all alone, what happens? You are not competent to maybe do that particular task. You are not competent. But here, if you have a team, you can make a list. The other one can actually write down for you. Third one can actually make it, digital and, make a PPT for you. Fourth one is a very good orator, can actually present that, PPT. Fifth one is a listener, can listen to you. So all this, you have to identify leader or everybody, I mean, as a team member, you have to actually identify and recognize everyone's competency, the core competency, and then accordingly you have to distribute the work. And then you will see whatever you dream, you will definitely fulfill your dream. This is another thing, you know, one is the team spirit. Second is the, the leader who should have the team building skills. And third is this, that, you know, you should know how to identify the competency, core competency of everybody. And then, you know, you make a team. And then, you know, team, you know, works like that only. So this is what I also feel. And here, and you know, when you're working in a team, there should be no space for I. It should be we. Every time it should be we. We are doing this, we are doing that, you know. And you won't believe, and today also, like, you know, we were trying to upload the marks. So I had to tell my director what we are doing. So we were saying, sir, we haven't done this. He said, who's doing it? Who's doing it? I said, sir, we as a team, we are doing it. I mean, I'm reporting you as a leader, as a principal, but it is the team who's working. So we are doing it like that. So there should be no space for I. The minute I comes, what will come? क्या आ जाएगा? I के आते क्या आएगा? क्या आएगा? Rabia, please tell me. अभी आपको ही देख रही हूँ. क्या आ जाएगा? The minute I comes, what will come? जैसे मैं कहूँगी I am this. हाँ, please sir unmute करे Rabia को.
Yes, I think Deepa rightly said the ego comes into picture and the team spirit completely goes away. The team bonding goes away. The collaboration, learning goes away, and then it's only I's left.
Yes, I think somebody's written Gautam arrogance. Yes, you become arrogant actually. You actually become, you feel that I'm the supreme. Whatever decision I'm taking, you know, and that is going to be the, you know, thing. So I think I do not have to take much time. Let me just talk about some advantages of, just very quickly, I'll talk about advantages. So let's talk about advantages. Like, you know, we also have to see that why we are better together. We also have to see if we are working together, but why are we working together and what we will get when we are working as a team. So this is first, we have to analyze these things. Then is that, you know, if you're working in a team, then the new ideas generates, you know, a lot of innovation happens, a lot of creativity happens, because everybody is using their brain and everybody's thinking, thought process is completely different, and they are coming up with so many results. A lot of outcomes are there, and whatever suits you can, and whatever fits for that work, you can actually utilize that. And then it also boosts every employee or the team members' morale, and it also boosts their motivation level. You know, that what Dr. Dev was saying, you know, M means motivation. And then it also encourages taking healthy risks. Now, once you are working as a team, what happens is now you have taken up a task and then you feel, I mean, this, I won't be able to do it, but let's work with the team. Maybe together we'll be able to do it. You know, hum honge kamyab, hum honge kamyab. है ना, मन में है विश्वास. So that is what I thought that, you know, that is one thing we feel that it encourages taking healthy risks. And then the people also, when they are learning, and those who are learners, they learn faster. You know, you become a fast learner. And it also relieves your pressure. There's so much of pressure. If you're working all alone, then all the pressure is on you, on one person. But if you're working as a team, then that stress is also divided. And then you're working together, you know. And it also improves your customer services, your client, now your parents, your children, and whoever is coming to meet us. It also improves the customer services when we are working as a team. And it also enhances our personal and professional growth. It is actually very, it is better for us if we work as a team. Then it is better that we should actually work as a team. Because I still remember, like, I'm working with Suraj School. We had started with one school, but as a team, they had worked really very hard, and today we have 8 schools, and we have 3 colleges, and we have other schools. There are 2 more schools in the pipeline to open up. So this is all teamwork. Otherwise, how you are going to work? You have to somewhere collaborate, you have to outsource the person, you have to bring some resource person from outside, and people like Rabia is there to promote us, to promote the school, and of course Dr. Devendra is there to make us the advisor, and now today we are talking about that. So all this, and another thing is, when we are working in a team, everybody should praise each other. Should appreciate whatever is good, whatever you've done, the other person has done, whatever good he or she has done, you should praise. You should always look for the good aspects or good values of that person, not the negativity, not the negative aspect. Positive. And then what will happen automatically? That positivity will prevail and the negativity will take a back seat. So this much power is there in this team. So I feel teamwork leads to dream work. I would now like to tell, why don't you introduce now Dr. Preeti? I've taken her time also. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yes, Rabia.
Dev sir, we have to wave our hand to unmute ourselves. All right. So that was really wonderful, Dr. Seema. Rightly said that we cannot grow in isolation, but we all grow together. Unity is strength. We have all been studying this since our childhood, that unity is strength. And we have learned this, we have actually practically learned this during this lockdown also, that collaboration helps us grow, helps us to keep motivated, and it also helps us to overcome every challenge in life, whatever challenges we face. And it also helps us to complete the task and achieve our goals in a better way, because there's a lot of creative minds which comes in together, and they put in the lots of efforts together, and that is how we're able to create something beautiful out of it. So
Yes.
thank you so much, Dr. Seema. That was really, really wonderful.
Thank you.
And Dr. Preeti, yes, the stage is yours. So please.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dr. Seema ji, I'm actually going to take a walk outside today evening to sink in what all you have spoken about me and to digest that. Yes, I am experiencing that thought from a doctor of my strata. Thank you so much. And I feel that we both come from the sports background, and that makes a lot of difference in grooming our attitude from a very young age. And in between, I'll keep speaking in Hindi and English to make it more closer to each other. I hope that's not a problem with Professor Devendra. So with your permission, Professor Devendra, I would be making sure, क्योंकि सर जो स्पोर्ट्स वाले होते हैं ना, वो दिल की बात ज़्यादा हिंदी में बोलते हैं, तो वहाँ पे कहीं कहीं मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश का प्रयोग करूँगी. But I'm really grateful to all my teachers with all folded hands. They have been really busy for so long, but they are here with us. And there are few who are not there. We'll list them later. But then we will definitely go ahead with the ones who are there with us. I have got this topic after a very long time. It was a dream come true for me, because sports is something that if you have experienced in your life at a very young age, you start using it in your real life and practicing it wherever you're working. So all the children, if you want to be an Air Force officer, if you want to be a leader, if you want to be a teacher, you want to be anything, the future is in the value of each individual from now onwards.
Yes.
content and knowledge, you all will get it with a degree. All of you. On all the experienced teachers know about it. We all keep working towards our continuous professional development. But what makes one different from the other? That is the way that your attitude helps you to be different. I'll give you small examples and I'll tell you how exactly what ma'am just now said can be practiced the way we need to use it in our real life. The most important thing for any sports is, सब लोग please सुनिएगा आराम से, that you have to realize you have to make a guru. You have to submit yourself to someone to learn how to follow. If you have learned how to follow in your life, you will know how to lead. Because only a follower of a leader will know what the followers need. I hope I'm not making the sentence very complicated. जब आप किसी को follow करना सीख जाएंगे, उसके बाद आप समझ जाएंगे कि जब आप leader बनेंगे, तो follower की need क्या है. Extremely important for one individual to learn, because all of us as a team are leaders in our own capacity. And when the leaders come together to lead their task, they need that respect. And when respect is given from the guru to the person who becomes the student, the respect also comes back to the guru. So usually what happens is that when the leaders are with gratitude inviting their team, the team itself brings a lot on the plate for them without the leader asking them. I had a wonderful mentor, and he told me that, प्रीति एक बारी दोस्ती कर लो बच्चों से, फिर बोलने की जरूरत नहीं कि होमवर्क करो, होमवर्क वो कराएगा, because they are happy with you. They want you that you complete the task because she will receive a smile. And because now we are friendly, she will not judge me. कम किया, बड़ा किया, छोटा किया, handwriting अच्छा नहीं, incomplete, all that doesn't matter. But you have groomed an attitude that if I ask you something, I need something. And the child will bring it on the plate for you. That's the first lesson that I realize as a sports person. The second important thing, which I have already spoken, I'll repeat it, submit yourself with full trust, which Professor Devendra spoke just now. I was going to a workshop, sir. और उस वर्कशॉप में एक हस्बैंड को बोला वाइफ के पीछे पीछे चलिए, और वाइफ को बोला आंख बंद करो और पीछे गिर जाओ, और हस्बैंड आपके पीछे है ये भी बोल दिया गया था, पर वाइफ नहीं गिरी सर. 30 minutes चलता रहा वो हस्बैंड उसके पीछे पीछे, वाइफ नहीं गिरी because she had no trust on him कि तू मुझे गिरा के ही मानेगा.
नहीं, he have trust कि गिराएगा.
So I want to let you know that when you are lots of team members, you feel ये coach तो बस इन्हीं के, ऐसा नहीं होता है. The coach is for everyone. They're just giving time according to your need. एक बहुत ही पका पकाया बढ़िया टीम मेंबर है, उसको उतना टाइम की जरूरत नहीं है, बट जिसको जरूरत है उसकी तरफ लीडर जाएगा. And that is what one has to understand. Where as a team member, you have to realize you have to empathize with your guru. You have to let the guru know, I accept what you give me and I'm waiting for you to give me an opportunity. वो आपके मन में जब तक नहीं आएगा, you will not be able to grow in life at any cost. This is what I have learned. I used to keep standing when I used to play kabaddi, and they used to keep telling me, तेरा राउंड अभी नहीं आएगा, तू बहुत कमजोर है, you're below 45 weight. And I used to say, एक बारी मौका दे दो सर, एक बारी. But मेरी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं अपना पैर उस बाउंड्री के अंदर रखूं जब तक मुझे कोच विसल बजा के नहीं बोलेंगे. And that is what we had learned from the guru, and that is a physical education. So, dear sir, you have all the right to interrupt me anytime you feel like by raising your hand, because I need your support, and Manju ma'am, you also. The most important thing in life that I've learned in sports is, तो बहुत कम माता पिता सिखाते हैं, पर वो sports आपको सिखाता है how to digest failure. जैसे ही आप lose करते हैं, आप जैसे ही लूज करते हैं अपनी जिंदगी में, आज कोई टीचर कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी लूज करती है, कितनों को मैंने रोते हुए देखा है, बट स्पोर्ट्स वाला जल्दी रोता नहीं, वो कहता है कल एक और चांस है, टुमारो आई विल गेट अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड यही है ना कॉम्पिटिटर. आज मैंने देखा था तो कॉम्पिटिटर कुडंट डू द बैक एंड, उसका बैक एंड स्मैशिंग ठीक नहीं था. आई विल मेक श्योर आई प्रैक्टिस दैट टुडे इवनिंग, कल फिर मौका मिलेगा. सो द फेलियर लेट्स यू नो यू नीड मोर प्रैक्टिस. सीधा बताता है आपको स्पोर्ट्स, नो ब्रेन या ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. जीत गए गेम, यू आर डूइंग वेल, गो अहेड, आपकी प्रैक्टिस सही चल रही है. अगर आपने नहीं जीता तो दैट मीन्स यू नीड मोर प्रैक्टिस. दैट इज ऑल दैट वी नीड इन टीम वर्क आल्सो व्हिल वी आर वर्किंग. अगर आपका एक स्क्रिप्ट सही नहीं है, अगर आपने क्लास में ठीक से नहीं पढ़ाया, अगर आप एक अच्छे IAS ऑफिसर वाला डिसीजन नहीं ले सके, so you need practice, you need more experience. That sports teaches you, and this is how you make yourself wiser and not feel like a fool. And don't try to inhibit your decisions. You keep speaking again and again. This is how what sports deals with you. The most important here is that you get to know the strength and your weakness. आराम से आपको धीरे से समझ में आ जाता है, this is my strength and this is my weakness. And the minute you get to know about your weakness, you make a list of it. The most important, people try to make a list of their strengths. I would like to let them know, please make a list of your weakness, because your weakness is the one that you need to overcome. And children, this is what we do when we study also. हम क्या करते हैं, जो chapters हमें अच्छे से आता है उसको बार बार याद करते हैं, जो चैप्टर आपको अच्छे से नहीं आता उसकी लिस्ट बनाओ, उसको अच्छे से याद करो, जो आता है उसको तो 2 रिवीजन में हो जाएगा. So you know what happens is then you start making a decision, what rightly told by Seema ma'am, to start making decisions. And those decisions, as professor was telling me earlier, Devendra ji, before this session, speed aa jati hai. You're not waiting. And that speed helps you to create better outcomes and quickly accelerate in the world today. So this is how your failure helps you. Imagine how much your failure is helping you. And when you start accepting, underline the word accepting, बहुत मुश्किल है failure accept करना, and it's not easy. मुझे 15 साल लग गए इसको accept करने में. And accepting failure in itself is your success. This is how you should put yourself forward when you're talking about sports. And this is what you learn. If teachers, you have kids, please make them sure that they play, they go out, they rush out and they fall and they come back crying, and tell them, koi nahi, kal to ek aur chance hai. And make sure that your children are doing that, because that will give them a lot of respect for what they're doing. And when you start respecting your game, you start respecting everybody around you. And the most important thing, and everybody here, all are very learned people, and I see all of them very humble. That's a very fortunate thing. But kabhi-kabhi success sar mein aa jata hai. And that is called as arrogance. And a very wise man told me once, APJ Abdul Kalam, that if arrogance has come into your mind, you will not be able to behave the same way. और बोला जाता है कि जिसके पास सब कुछ होता है, उसमें बस ये देखो उसका behavior कैसा है. That is the most important thing that will hold you with your team. If a team member is doing wonderful and she starts becoming arrogant, no team member will sit with her. Please remember, अपनी खुशियों को थोड़ा दबा के रखिए अंदर और उसको उतने हद तक ही demonstrate करिए that it will help the other team members feel relaxed. And that will actually help you to be honest. अब सब लोग कहते हैं, मैम, she gets a lot of opportunity. वो जहां जाती है फॉर्म भरती है उसका हो जाता है. सब बच्चे कहते हैं, मैम, वो जो भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देती है उसका हो जाता है. No, honesty is the most important part as a sports person, because you have to be honest with your practice time. जब सारी दुनिया सो रही है, 4 बजे सुबह उठ के कंडीशनिंग करते हैं आपके स्पोर्ट्स के बच्चे. आपकी डाइट में पिज्जा नहीं आएगा, आपकी डाइट में चना, गुड़ और दूध आएगा. And this starts from the very young age, from the children, that you have to eat less and you have to work according to your need of the sport. You have to make your mind very strong. You have to sleep on time. You have to get up on time. Your punctuality will help you that you will be then next day. बच्चा तो बहुत alert है, कम खाकर आए हो तो ज्यादा ध्यान दोगे. And most important thing which I feel after that is that you will learn how to observe. I was in a hostel for 7 years. जब मेरा schooling खत्म हो गया, then I went to the hostel. No roommate used to come to my room. And इतना डरते थे वो, because मेरी आदत हो गई थी ऑब्जर्व करने की. मैं उसको ऊपर से नीचे तक पूरा देखती थी. And they used to feel, oh my God, this woman doesn't have a blink. ये blink भी नहीं करते, हम तेरे रूम में नहीं आएंगे. And then I realized within, is it a bad habit? But my coach taught me, जब competitor खेल रहा है, उसके एक एक मूव को देखना है प्रीति. उसका घुटना कैसे मूव किया, उसका हाथ कैसे मूव किया, और मैं तुमसे पूछूंगा तुमने क्या सीखा क्या नहीं सीखा. तुम गेम हार गई मुझे चलेगा, लेकिन अगर तुमने मुझे ऑब्जर्वेशन सही नहीं किया ना, मैं कोचिंग छोड़ दूंगा. And that is the role of a teacher today, that we have to move. Professor Devendra, I would like to speak on the platform here, from student-centric to teacher-centric learning. आप teachers, आप help करेंगे students को ये समझाने के लिए, मैं गुरु हूँ, मेरा तुम्हें सुनना है. अगर तुम कैमरा स्विच ऑफ कर लोगे, मैं आऊंगी नहीं क्लास में दोबारा. That is the kind of a role modeling you have to do. You can't tell them. You have to role model. You have to be punctual yourself. अगर कोच लेट आता था तो हम कहते थे हमारा कोच लापता है, हम तो कहते थे टीम में, और वो अनाउंसमेंट होता रहता था, एंड यूज्ड टू नॉट लिसन टू दैट कोच एनीमोर. बट इफ माय कोच इज 4 o'clock इन द ग्राउंड एंड आई एम एट 4:15, मेरा सर झुक जाता था. दिस इज व्हाट स्पोर्ट्स टीचेस यू एज अ लीडर. अगर स्कूल में सबका टाइम 7:50 का है तो मैं 7:30 बजे आ जाती. My teachers will know about it, and I always try to do when we're physically present. But then that is how, what is, I have understood the attitude that you need to change within to create the team building. And once you start making decisions, you realize जब आप हारते हैं और फिर जब आप जीतते हैं. I'll just take a moment. Please give me a moment. जब आप एक बार ही हारते हैं और फिर जब आप जीतते हैं, यू गेट इनटू अ मॉडल ऑफ रेजिलियंस जो नहीं है. बहुत डीप जाना स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर और फिर बाहर आ जाना, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली एन एक्ट इन लाइफ ऑफ रेजिलियंस. आपको प्रमोशन नहीं मिला, बिल्कुल मत घबराइए, आप डीप जाइए, वो इमोशन भी आना आपके अंदर जरूरी है, बट उभर के आइए बाहर विद डबल स्ट्रेंथ. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अ टीम वर्क. हर टीम को हर टाइम वो जगह नहीं मिलेगी जो वो चाहते हैं. So don't expect that every time you're working hard, you'll be getting the award. But at least remember what Seema ma'am said, the process is important. The participation is important, and you are moving ahead is important. Maybe it's slow, but you are moving ahead. That extremely is important. Now, with these thoughts, I have something very important to let you know, which I have recently put it on my LinkedIn also. Do not compete with team members. Please underline it.
Yes.
They have come from a different background. They have a different academics. They have a different way of looking at their achievement and goal. They have a race within themselves for something. And आपका family अभी है, baby छोटा है, आप अभी उतना time नहीं दे सकते हैं, आप अभी छोटे छोटे baby step में काम करिए. अगर आपको ये लगता है कि नहीं मेरे को तो वो कर लेना है, तो मुझे वो सामने वाली कर रही है. So this will again sports teach you that the senior के साथ senior players की game कराई जाती है. जो जूनियर प्लेयर है उनकी सीनियर के साथ प्ले गेम नहीं कराई जाती है. तो आपको क्यों में बैठना आता है, आपको एक लाइन में खड़े होकर वेट करना आता है, जब मेरा मौका आएगा ना तब मैं मारूंगी चौका. बट एट द मोमेंट आई हैव टू प्ले विथ माय ओन लेवल. जैसे बॉक्सिंग में होता है 45 वेट वाले को 45 के साथ ही खिलाया जाता है, जैसे जूनियर को जूनियर के साथ ही पहले खेलना होता है. एंड आपको हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना है that whenever you're playing something, you have to make sure you're playing a sport, you're not playing a game. And that's the most beautiful thing. हारने के बाद भी हम चेक हैंड करते हैं and वो करते हैं, और जीतने से पहले भी हम चेक हैंड करते हैं. So that tells us that this is just an instance of a life which is helping us to grow. That this will not claim you are better or I am better. We both are good, but it's only the instance that is going to make you what you're going to achieve. So basically, I mean to say that teamwork is a very complex mindset association, and collaboration, according to me, Seema ma'am, you didn't allow me to speak then. अभी मैं जवाब दे देती हूँ उसका. According to me, collaboration is mutual benefit. बहुत लोग कहते हैं क्योंकि बहुत collaboration की बात करती है. Collaboration हर के साथ थोड़ी होता है, बिल्कुल सही है. हर के साथ collaboration नहीं हो सकता, but जिसके साथ हो सकता है, shout on the top of the mountain. आपका collaboration हुआ है. Collaboration होता है जैसे अगर मैंने आज राबिया का एक शो किया, राबिया को पसंद आया, राबिया मुझे अगले शो में बुलाई, मैं राबिया का एक शो कराऊंगी. Why? Because she has given me a space to speak and I will give her a space to speak. That's mutual collaboration, benefiting each other. आज एक सीनियर के लिए आप खड़े होकर ताली बजाइए, जूनियर के लिए या सीनियर के लिए, तो अगले बार आपके लिए खड़े होकर ताली बजाएंगे. That's also collaboration. Appreciating बड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि जलन एक ऐसी भावना है जो सारे और भावनाओं को खत्म कर देता है. तो अगर वो आ गया तो आप कभी भी खुद नहीं ग्रो कर पाएंगे. आपको लग रहा है सामने वाला नहीं ग्रो कर पाएगा, मैं बात नहीं कर रही उससे, मैं उससे अब उससे कुछ पूछूंगी भी नहीं, आपको लग रहा है आप उसको भाव नहीं दे रही हैं, पर आप कुछ नहीं सीख रही हैं, because you are actually letting yourself go behind. So this is also what sports teaches you, and this is what I have learned throughout my life, and this is how I would like to conclude it, Dr. Seema. And Dr. Rabia, she's also a doctorate now. I don't know why doesn't she put that. And I would, with my folded hands, say thank you, ma'am, Thank you both the ma'ams, Dr. Devendra ji, to create this platform today to speak from my heart, and all the teachers. Thank you so much to be here. Thank you so much.
I was just waiting to, conclude actually before I leave actually. So Dr. Preeti, that was such a beautiful statement, such beautifully, rightly put across that give and take. It's a kind of, in team, you have to give and take actually.
Yes.
It was such a beautiful statement. I mean, without that give and take, you just can't work in a team basically.
Absolutely.
It is so very important to be patient, to be emotional in the team, to be empathetic in the team, and be resilient in the team. So that is how our team will grow. The team grows. So thank you so much once again, Dr. Preeti and Dr. Seema. It was so nice to moderate this session for both of you. And I myself actually learned so many things, that how the sports actually helps us to learn about collaboration, team building, team spirit, being patient, and the way Dr. Devendra rightly put across, the trust factor comes into picture. That was so beautiful. So I actually learned a very wonderful thing today, that sports helps us to keep, trust the other person. And that is how we can, work in those departments where we have 3 to 4 people working within a team. And that is the reason people like Dr. Preeti and Dr. Seema are like great leaders who have that kind of, team building spirits in them, and they're able to unite such a wonderful, wonderful school teammates, school staff members, and the parents and the students work together in a collaborative mode. Thank you so much, Dr. Preeti, and thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
you,
Seema.
Rabia.
Thank you, Rabia.
Really great.
Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you, Seema ma'am.
Thanks.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's truly come. Dr. Dubey, he's here for vote of thanks. And before that, I wish to invite our international friend from Namibia. Hi, Isa. You listen very carefully, just your finger on your head. So would you like to share some views about today's session? Yeah, with your big smile.
Thank you very much. It's such an honor again, and I'm very much excited. I'm sure my team as well is excited all the way from Namibia that we have been accorded this opportunity to be part of this webinar. I really enjoyed the session. I picked 1, 2, 3 things that I didn't know that this probably was destroying my my career in sport, but through listening to the presenters here, I really realized that a team, this is how it works as a team. Of course, you're working with a team, but at times you think you're doing the best you can. In actual fact, you're actually stepping on other people's toes. From Namibia, I would like to say thank you very much for according this opportunity. And this teamwork should not just end here. It should continuously go. With those few, I would like to say namaste.
Namaste. Great, great. Sharendra ji, sir. Welcome.
Thanks, Dr. Arora. After listening to Dr. Preeti ma'am, Dr. Seema ma'am, Isa from Namibia and all those, मैम एक चीज तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. जस्ट परमिट मी टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. पहली बार मुझे लगा कि ना जब हम स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन से जब उनसे सुनते हैं ना तो मन में वही आता है कि यस, बिकॉज मैडम आप लोग को देख के लगता है कि यस आपने जो चीजें शेयर की हैं एज अ एथलीट, एज अ national sports person, sometimes I feel that even I have also enjoying the same spirit because of my school days. प्रीति मैम ने जैसे कहा कि गुरु जो है, यस मैम, गुरु इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. दिस इज वेयर, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी मुझे पर्सनली ग्रूम किया था दौड़ने के लिए, एथलीट के लिए, और गलतियों को बताया, वीकनेसेस को. सो दैट इज द वन थिंग. इफ यू कांट ट्रस्ट योर गुरु, इफ यू डोंट सरेंडर, देन ऑब्वियसली यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी एनीवेयर. And the second thing is, Dr. Seema ma'am nicely said, that is what is all about the teamwork, right? Today, it is not individual, it is a team. Whether you be in a corporate, whether in academia, whether in anywhere, it is all about the team. And that's why team brings success. And failure is that is called leader. So we must understand the collaborative approach. We must witness that this collaborative approach can only bring success, nobody else. So that's a very rightly said, ma'am. Your teamwork, your strategy, your, what you said, the speed of the boss and the speed of the team. Very nicely, very nicely. Yes. So today it's, team can decide your success or failure, right?
Yes.
This is what we teach in our, Dev sir, am I correct? This is what we teach in our management
Yeah,
programs also.
definitely.
This is what,
Same is here.
and that's why you
Leadership.
find lots of leadership programs, or you can say this team building and all kind of things taking place today, because this I जो मेरा मैं factor है सर वो निकलना चाहिए और हमको V में आ जाना चाहिए, right? And nicely today it's a very very knowledgeable session from both the distinguished speakers, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Suras, Seema ma'am. I really thoroughly enjoyed. We have a Mr. Isa from Namibia. I had heard, but nice to see Isa also from Ulam. Isa, I should share with you. वो मैराथन स्पीकर्स, मैराथन रेसर्स होते थे इथियोपिया से, तो हम लोग एक ड्रीम होता था सर। आज के दिन मैं ये भी कहूंगा कि मिल्खा सिंह जी हमारे जो चले गए, हम लोग मैडम याद है, अगर हम लोग ने भी कभी मिल्खा सिंह, पीटी उषा को ऐसे इमुलेट करने की कोशिश की थी, वो लोग कैसे दौड़ते हैं, क्या करते हैं, और वो जो स्पिरिट है, दैट इज द वन विच आई टेल यू, द स्पिरिट, इफ द स्पिरिट इज मिसिंग वी आर नोवेयर। अगर आप जिंदगी में स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली दिस विल बी द स्पिरिट बिहाइंड यू इन ऑल फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, राइट? और दिस इज द ओनली द हॉलमार्क ऑफ सक्सेस, अगर ये स्पिरिट है, क्योंकि फेलियर्स तो मिलते रहते हैं, लेकिन डाइजेस्ट कर पाना, जैसा मैम ने कहा, डाइजेस्ट कर पाना सबके बस की बात नहीं। आई हैव सीन द क्रेस्ट फॉलिन, जो एग्जाम्स में फेल हो गए, जो इसमें फेल हो गए, दे आर क्रेस्ट फॉलिन, दे डोंट हैव द रेजिलियंस टू रिबाउंस बैक। बट टुडे आई से स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट इम्बाइब दीज क्वालिटीज टू रिबाउंड बैक। दैट इज व्हाट स्पोर्ट्स टेल अस, नो वन एल्स। तो देव सर, this is a wonderful session and from my bottom of my heart, because principals को सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे आज भी डर लगता है क्योंकि हमारे प्रिंसिपल साहब थे और वो बहुत अच्छा बोलते थे। तो डॉक्टर प्रीति एंड डॉक्टर सीमा मैम को लगता है कि यस वी आर अगेन इनटू द स्कूल एज, स्कूल की चीजें हमें इतनी अच्छी मिल रही हैं सुनने को, अमेजिंग। So your wonderful, your wisdom, your thought process really regaled us. Thanks for sharing your thought process with us. We as a spa persons, I tell you, we look forward to your such sessions in future as well. And at the same time, I see the young budding, our students, those who are participating today, this spa program, this spa webinar, they are the future of this country. And I tell you, this country is bubbling with energy. They are the energy packets. It is tomorrow their session, tomorrow their inner. So we, with these words, I thank one and all the distinguished speakers, participants, and on top of it, our Dev sir, who himself is a great coordinator, great showman, and nice academician, I should say, who is always encouraging everybody, and also Mr. Isa, to see you and again saying thanks to you for being present in the webinar, and all the teachers those whom I don't know, but yes, I convey my thanks to them also, all the participants, young budding students, okay, for the future career. With these words, I say thanks to one and all. Thank you, everybody. And look forward to you or understand. Thanks. Namaskar, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Before the sign off, we want a closing remark from both of the speaker. And if you would like to invite anyone, any teacher, anyone, every participant, you are most welcome to share your views about the session. Over to Dr. Seema and Dr. Preeti.
I do not know whether Shweta, my vice principal, is there or not. I can't see her. Is she there? Shweta Puri, my vice principal, is she there?
Shweta P. Yeah, she's in the list. Shweta, now you can unmute, because now I allowed everyone to, they can unmute their mic.
So Shweta ma'am.
Shweta, her video is on.
Shweta ma'am.
Shweta Puri. Yes.
She's there?
Yeah, list, participant list में तो नाम है उनका.
Okay, because she had also reached so late with me, maybe, must be doing some work. I do not actually see how many are there. But then thank you so much, Dr. Devendra, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Dubey, and Dr. Isa. I mean, I know, I think Isa is also, he's a what? He's a sports person? Is he a sports person?
Isa, tell about you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm a founder and executive director in Sports for Development organization.
Oh.
So we have a program in Namibia that we're going to work with young people, with the volunteers across Namibia.
Okay, that's really great, great. So thank you so much, and my gratitude to Dr. Devendra, who has, made me the, the part of this session. And then, of course, I was sharing this platform with Dr. Preeti. And Preeti, you were so good, and it was really very whatever you had spoken with the full, it was quite convincing, and I'm sure those who are listening must be convinced with whatever you have said. People are talking about, everybody knows about teamwork. Everybody know that we have to work as a team. Everybody knows about it. But you had spoken about that from fear to high gear. You've spoken about that how you can take your team from fear to high gear. So this is how you can, the leader only has to lead the team. And I'm sure that your school also must be doing well under your guidance, as, our SPA India is already doing so well with Dr. Devendra. And in your field, Isa, you also must be